Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Passport. This compact SUV from Honda is a good compromise of size and comfort. The compact design lets you maneuver well through heavy traffic while still having ample space to carry most anything you need. The Passport, which was assembled in Lafayette, Indiana, also gives you the comfort of Honda reliability and quality and is priced below $40,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.